How to fix action needed no internet on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the action needed no internet issue on Windows 11. If you're facing this frustrating problem, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's open the registry editor. Go to the search bar and type registry editor. Click right on it and then select run as administrator. This will give us the necessary permission to make the changes. Once you're in the registry editor, we need to navigate to the following path. Add key local machine, then expand the system folder followed by current control set and then services. Keep scrolling down until you find NLA SVC folder. Go ahead and expand that. Next, you need to expand parameters folder and then look for internet on the right side. Right click on enable active proving and select modify. Change the value data to 0 and then click OK. This step is crucial for fixing the issues. Now let's go back to the main registry editor. Expand the software folder, then policies, followed by Microsoft and then Windows. Here we need to select network connectivity status indicator. Right click on the right side, then select new and create a new dword value. Name it no active prompt and then hit enter. Now that you have created no active prompt dword, right click on it and select modify. Change the value data to 1 and click OK. This will help ensure that your system recognizes the changes we just made. Once you have completed these steps, the final thing to do is to restart your system. This will apply all the changes and hopefully resolve the action needed no internet issue. And that's it guys. You should now be able to connect to your internet without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to connect with me through the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.